guys, how's it going? What's up? What's new? Welcome back to my channel. Today we got a tutorial. Well, that sounded like I was going to a football game, wasn't it? Tutorial obviously is on this look. I did this look in my last video. I posted this look on my Instagram story and I had a couple of people that messaged me and was like, it's so pretty, it's so nice, how'd you do it? So then I went on my Instagram story and asked if you guys wanted to see a tutorial on this look. A lot of the answers were yes. So we are here now to do it. Anyways, let's jump into this tutorial. I'm such a loser, man. I gotta go, bye. Okay, so of course, gotta start off the morning with a coffee. Let's zoom in. We're going with Super Stay Better Skin Maybelline Concealer and we are prepping the eyes for those eyeshadows. But first you need to set that transition area so that it blends out beautifully. Sorry, that's echo. We're going in with the Jaclyn Hill palette. You do not have to go with this palette. You can go with any eyeshadow that looks very similar. We are grabbing a light brown and brushing that into our transition area and the crease. Go back and forth and then do circular motions to blend that out. Next, we're going in with this darker brown. I don't know why these shades are showing a little bit on the orangey side. I'm gonna have to try to fix that with my camera. Going in with a little bit of a darker brown and putting that just in the crease. We are not going as high as we did with the transition color. Again, just windshield wiper motions. Once you've got your desired darkness, then go back in with your blending brush and blend that out. For your lid, you're going to be mixing two browns, a dark one and a medium, and apply that all over your lid from inner corner to outer corner. You do not want to go much higher than your eyelid because then it's just going to get messy. Then you're going to go in with another blending brush and you can grab the dark brown or the medium brown, doesn't really matter, and just blend the eyelid and the crease together. During this process, you are going to be going back and forth from your lid to your crease, as when you are blending out your crease, you can lose pigmentation in your eyelid. Just take your time with this. There's no rush. Learn as you go. Once everything is done to your desired liking, go back in with that first brown and we're just going to soften up the edges to make it look more flawless. Then again, go back in with your very first brush and just blend any harsh lines. Next up is eyeliner. I did mine off camera because honestly it takes me about 20 minutes just to do my damn eyeliner. But eyelids, they suck. I'll do a video on eyeliner one day. Jamir lashes. Look how beautiful they are and they're so easy to pop on. So easy, guys. I can't explain how easy it is. Okay, enough with the easy, Natalie. We gotta prime that face. I have larger pores, so I use the Pores No More. You know, apply it to my face. Then taking a Kabuki brush and the Infallible Loreal foundation. I'm sticking to my true colors, guys. I am white, and my face is super blotchy because Carrie decided to visit me this month. Yay! If you have concealer, this is your next step. Just apply it underneath your eyes with the Beauty Blender or whatever you have. I just use regular foundation. I don't really use concealer because I don't have dark circles. Be very careful around your eyeliner when you are applying this because you can mess it up and it sucks. Just gonna go ahead and, you know, bounce away on my face because I like to push the rest of my foundation in with my Beauty Blender afterwards. Going in with L'Oreal Mercier translucent powder and setting that all over my face with a brush, but underneath my eyes, I like to go in again with the Beauty Blender and, you know, set again my face with my Beauty Blender. We are going in with TooFaced bronzer. This is the Chocolate Soleil, I believe it is, and taking a brush. This one is the Eater brush. It's an oldie, and just bronzing and contouring my face. I do not like to miss my nose because, you know, I like to bring warmth back into the center of my face. Going in with blush, this is Style by M.A.C, and just taking your blush brush, doesn't matter which one you have, and applying it to your cheeks. Make sure that you don't go too close to your nose as you will make your nose look very red. Just cleaning things up, just doing, you know, the baking process and just wipe away. Adding some highlighter, this is the Opal by M.A.C and crushed to no ends. It still works. Just highlight your cheekbones, nose, cupid's bow, and chin. Do whatever you please. Next, going with brows. I just did these off camera. I will do a brow routine some other time. Now I'm just going back in, touching up those lashes because the glue was white, and to kind of hide them better, you just use some black liner. And then I applied some black black liner in my waterline, and now taking a definer brush and going in with that darkest brown, defining the lower lash line. Next, we're going in with a pencil brush and buffing the crap out of it. You can make this blown out as much as you like. It's your look. I went back in with my eyes to highlight my brow bone, and I honestly just used Opal by BECCA again. Combining those lashes and the falsies together, you're going to need some mascara to do that, top lashes and lower lashes. Now to give that pop color in the corner of your eyes, you do not have to use blue. You can use pink, yellow, orange, green, whatever you want. This one's kind of like a turquoisey teal color, and just apply that into the tear ducts in little circular motions. Lip gloss, don't have very much. This is pretty much all I have. It works. Like I said, NYX Creme Brulee always works with everything. And that's our final look, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. You know, do whatever colors you want. It's your look, right? See you guys next time.